So the underlying purpose of Inspiration Paradise is unapologetically to save the species, to protect the species, to elevate the species, the entire species. Not just some people, not individuals, not just individuals, everyone. I'm a young man. It's to take me into my elderly years, right? My later years. So this is a long time thing. Please fall in love with Inspiration Paradise. This is your purpose. Your purpose is to come here because you want to save the world. You know how to save the world. You have to do this. What else is better to do? Either join a company or start a company which saves the world, or go out go around the houses, as I say in my story. Go around the house. I had that choice, didn't I, at 16. Start a company. How are you going to have the biggest impact with this spiritual knowledge, personal development knowledge which prevents suffering? This is extremely important. Every child needs to do this. How are we going to do it? We've got two options. I had two options. Start a company, which that's what I saw as having the most impact on society. I looked at things like Amazon. I looked at things like Apple. They are affecting billions of people. Or I go around the houses. I completely just say no possessions. I live from love, and my life will be as short as it needs to be, or as long as it needs to be. It doesn't matter about my life. Because I've transcended this. This is it. These are two options, in my view. So we either get really fixated, really aligned with Inspiration Paradise, or we become a yogi. If this is your true purpose. If your purpose is, if you're more interested in sort of making money, fine. You can still stay, obviously, but it's, yeah, I want to inspire you to get on the vision. There's negativity in the world, like there is toxicity in the body. For some people, there's a lot of toxicity, and we can't let it spread, can we? We have to educate the cells in the body on how to heal, and then we get a very healthy body. Now, I'm so passionate about this because I've imagined a world where everyone's happy. I've imagined this. I've imagined it. It will bring you to your knees. It will bring you to your knees. If you try and imagine heaven, do this in your private time before sleep, where you've got nothing to do. Try and imagine heaven, or try and imagine a world where happiness isn't the norm. There's no problems there. No one's got any emotional problems. Everyone's happy. You will be able to control yourself. It's incredible. It's worth fighting for. It's worth the time. It's worth the effort. So how are we going to do it? We're going to educate the cells in the body. We're going to educate people. Spiritual knowledge, we're going to share it. And I'm going to add as many people to the tutor team as possible. As many positive, amazing, beautiful, incredible people as possible. And I am intent on going fast, speed. Putting out content, in creating ways for people to engage on Inspiration Paradise, making it a self-contained thing. So that's what this is. Inspiration Paradise is a social media platform designed for the spiritual revolution. Now listen, I know I sound like a wacko, or at least I think I kind of do, but really, truly, spiritual revolution. That's what we're talking about here. What is a revolution? It sounds like all a revolution is just a change in society. Just society's going to change anyway. It's just like a boat, like a ship. It's moving anyway. We decide where do we want to go. If we had a choice, where would we like to take society? I am saying we should take society to a place where happiness and health is the norm. But David, it's too idealistic, it can't work. I don't see you trying to create a company, trying to educate the cells in the body to become less toxic. I don't see that happening for these people. I don't even see them trying to change their diet to become happier and healthier themselves. These people should not be listened to. Steve Jobs said it best. If you push in, something's going to pop out. And he also said, those who are crazy enough to believe that they can change the world are the ones who do. I need you to believe in this.